Cryptocurrency is making waves in the world economy again. Like a meteor streaking across the night sky, Bitcoin, the leading digital currency, has surged with a thrilling intensity, blasting past the $70,000 mark. This event marks a fresh and exciting leap forward, an unequivocal testament to the growing global acceptance and confidence in this pioneering form of currency. If you're wondering about our key term today, it's surged. This word is a powerful term that encapsulates the idea of a sudden and rapid increase, just like a wave surging towards the shore or a rocket bursting forth into the stratosphere. Some of the synonyms that can replace surged are rocketed, soared, and spiked. These words all evoke images of rapid, skyrocketing growth. Now it's your turn. Form your own sentence with the term surged. Make it creative and imaginative. Remember, the key to mastery is practice. Continual, relentless practice. And with that, we return to our regular programming. Flash Feed English, your daily source for improving English comprehension.